everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In today's video, we wanted to talk to you about a shift in the private equity investments. Now, according to a recent report by the Financial Times titled Big Investors Look to Sell Out the Private Equity After the Market Crowd, large institutional investors such as pension funds and endowments are exploring exits from the private equity fund stakes following a significant downturn in the financial markets. This development has dealt a heavy blow to the 4 trillion buyout industry as portfolios have suffered severe devaluation. The stocks of major private equity firms like Blackstone, KKR, and Carlyle saw a substantial decline last week, each plummeting about a fifth in value. The stock downturn reflects a broader trend in the financial retrenchment amongst the investors. Now, the investors are becoming increasingly skeptical about the short-term profitability of their private equity holdings. And with the market continuing to face instability, the private equity sector could be entering one of its most challenging phases yet. Historically, what we have seen is that this sector has thrived in robust deal making and lucrative IPOs, and it has been supported by favorable market conditions. However, the current financial climate is vastly different. The pause in the deal making and the IPO activities has drastically reduced the expected cash returns, leaving the investors in a precarious position. A key factor that is exacerbating investor woes is the denominator effect. Now, as the value of public stocks declines, the proportion of illiquid private assets in the investor's portfolio inadvertently rises. This misalignment can lead to breaches in the risk limits and compels investors to sell off assets at potentially steep discounts in the secondary markets. Legal and financial advisors have noted that the pension funds and the endowments, particularly stressed by these market conditions, are exploring options to offload their private equity stakes. This shift could lead to a flood of private equity sales in the secondary market, potentially pushing prices well below the 80 cents on the dollar mark, which has been the norm in the recent quarters. Now, this evolving scenario presents both challenges as well as opportunities. For the buyout industry, it's a wake-up call for them to reassess their strategies and perhaps pivot towards alternative investment strategies. And for potential buyers in the secondary markets, it could mean a chance to acquire valuable assets at discounted prices. As we continue to monitor these developments, the key for both the current investors and the prospective buyers will be to navigate this volatility with informed strategies and a clear understanding of the underlying risks and opportunities. Now, this is what we wanted to share with you in this particular video. Hope you have enjoyed this video.